Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a pretty unique trailer. This is a 2005 EB, that's EBY, EB. This is 8 wide, 8 tall. This trailer was, so I repeat, it was a 6-horse head-to-head with a dressing room. If you see where the graphics stop, that section was a section of the head-to-head. So it was where two horses went, yes. And so they converted that to a living quarters. The living quarters was done professionally. It was done by JBJ down in Georgia. So just to fully explain now, it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to try to show you in the videos. I took the best pictures I could, but I will try to video the back portion of the trailer because it's definitely different now. It's kind of set up pretty cool. You could do side-by-sides, you could do small animals and horses, you could do exotics. It's really set up nicely for other things other than just horses. Drafts will fit in here perfectly. It is made definitely for draft horses. So this is extra tall, extra wide, heavy built, heavy duty built. EB is heavy duty, will last forever, solid. And like I said, you can use this trailer for multi-uses. I'm not sure on the measurements, which I will most certainly get those for people. You may be able to put 2 drafts in the back and a wagon in the front. That is a very strong possibility. So anyway, EB 2005. Let's just call this a custom at this point. It does have 2 side ramps and a rear ramp. So let me kind of go around. So you'll notice that the graphics stop and then they start again. So that would be why. It is fully extruded there on the lower half. That would be the ribbed aluminum that you see on the bottom. It does have a hydraulic jack. Does have an aluminum battery box, 2 propane tanks. It does have a stainless nose. Anything I'd fault this trailer for on this outside would be cosmetic, and it would be the graphics. But I mean, as you can tell, I mean, EBs are built solid. And look at the rail caps at the top there. It does have some old graphics on it. It's faded, but you can see it. So as I said, it's got ramps on either side. So it's got the ramp on the back with Dutch doors. They had drafts, so they've added extra gripping to the back ramp that can come off. So as it's set up now, it's set up for 2 large drafts in the back. So it's a 2-horse straight in the back, and they're big, big stalls. It does have the lower dividers, which is nice, on both sides. You do the expanded, maybe that'll help. Okay, yeah. So then you have a middle section, and then you have basically 2 large boxes in the back. So 3 drafts would fit in here. And then you've got this box stall. I mean, it's a complete square box stall. So if you wanted to put a horse that didn't need to touch another horse, small animals, like I said, livestock of small nature, whatever. It is fully lined and insulated. They did insulate the roof in this trailer. It does have roof vents. So I'm trying my best for y'all to be able to see the layout of this trailer. Let me kind of go under here. All right, you'll see all the parts and pieces they left for the 6-horse head-to-head portion. So you can take these panels out and make it the straight load as well. We got a nice row of hooks there. So if you wanted to do your tack, so here's a perfect example of something else. Your tack could go here in this box. They do have a 110 outlet on the wall there, but your tack could be safely here and not move around You'd have to have a short saddle rack, I would think. But I'm just thinking outside the box here. You know, this is a pretty unique trailer. Usually head-to-heads are just straight hauling trailers. So this one's a little, like I said, a little different. This section here is a pretty good size. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do some measurements for people, I'm sure. But this is like feels like about 4 feet here in the middle. Pretty excited to show you the living quarters. It's actually really, really pretty. Did a pretty good job on the decor in there. So padded dividers, like I said, this is a complete lower divider, and all these parts and pieces do move. He told me that you can move this over and you can do 3 on the back here. So you can still do 3 across the back. Then that would be 3, 4, 5. So I mean 5 potentially could fit in here comfortably, I'm assuming. I'm not a big head-to-head person. I'm not as knowledgeable in the head-to-head business. I've got a girlfriend up in Virginia who owns her own dealership, and she's very knowledgeable and actually sold EBs for years. But at any rate, I'm just being fully honest with you. Just going to kind of explain it as I see it. There's no facts involved here because I'm not a head-to-head person. So let me get back from the expanded. Again, I can do measurements. There's no point in me doing measurements for the ad. I mean, I'll do the basic ones, but any special measurements, all you gotta do, oh my gosh, it's loud today, guys, so sorry. All you gotta do is reach out to me and I'll be happy to do some measurements for you. All right, so living quarters is now, we're gonna call it about a 13-foot living quarters straight wall. Okay, so done not very long ago. So this living quarters is very, very new. Like I said, put on expanded. It's a very pretty, modern, up-to-date LQ. It's got a dinette, beautiful cabinets, big fridge. It's got the ostrich inlay. Does have soft touch walls. It's got nice steps up to the bed. I'll show you those there in just a minute. It's got day-night shades. There's some mood lighting there in the middle of the bed area above. That was kind of something they did back in the day. I guess they're bringing that retro back. All right, so you can see the steps. Some nice steps to the bed. It's got the flip-up counter. They've done the turquoise, hint of turquoise in here. They've done the buttons along the front of the counters. That's definitely an upgrade. They've got the inlay of the ostrich here. So microwave, 2-burner gas top stove, stainless corner sink. I really like the sink. It's very much like in a home. It's deep and has a nice fixture. This is a central air system. It does have heat and air. All right, so let me kind of stand back and give you the floor view. Very roomy in here. It's a no slide, but let me just tell you, there's plenty of room in here. Nice cabinets for storage. Like I said, pretty unique trailer. I don't know, if you're over the road hauler, this trailer may work for you. It's definitely different and would definitely be nice to live in if you needed to stay over somewhere. The bathroom is big. They did the biggest shower they could get. So that is a big dome shower. Cabinets there to the right. A couple little drawers. So nice little setup there. Walk-through door with a nice mirror. Nice hanging closet here. More storage space. And it's got a nice sink and vanity. It's got one of the looks like a wellhead faucet there. Nice vanity above with plenty of storage, towel racks. Again, the trailer is really neat. It's definitely unique. It's definitely going to be marketed for all kinds of things. I think someone could do side-by-sides, could do motorcycles, could do just about anything they wanted to in this trailer. Exotics, you name it. All right, so 2005. Let me go back out, try to show you, you know, now not in the expanded, just how pretty the cabinetry is. Just kind of give you a little bit of the decor. Brand new. They actually used this trailer twice. They told me that things have changed and they've decided to move on to other things. And so here you go. All right. JBJ conversion, 2005 EB. We're gonna call this custom head-to-head of some kind. How about that? I'm not exactly sure what to call it. All right, guys, super nice trailer, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.